am making this video because I'm so confused. My CPU fans are running at 100%. This only happens, so if I restart the computer is completely silent. If I go into a game, the CPU fans ramp up to 100%. You know, that kind of makes sense, like if it was overclocked, but right now, this isn't overclocked at all. When I leave the game, it just stays ramped up at 100%. This is a mini ITX board. It's the ASUS Strix z390 series. It's got an i9 9900K in it with a 1080 Ti. Does anybody know what the hell happened in the past month? Like, was there some sort of like update that screwed everything up? Because I've been having a lot of issues with getting into BIOS. I've had to flash the CMOS once, reset everything, but I cannot for the life of me figure out what is going on with these fans. Okay, just so that you guys know, I do have Corsair link on here. It says my CPU, or it says the fan's sitting at 0%. The pump is at 2000 RPM. I'm not sure if that's normal at idle. You can see that I have like some temps here. I'm not entirely sure what temp 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I don't know. But there's my cores for my i9. This is just at idle and it's still like sitting at 100%. Or at least it sounds like it is. And then I'm gonna open up hardware monitor. Yeah, so we got some sensor data up top. Core temperatures are sitting pretty low. Like, that's actually really low for idle, right? I think idle usually, for my computer, it was like sitting around 40 Celsius. And then under load, it would warm up to like 50, 60. Sometimes peak at like 71. But that's like overclocked. And then let's see here. Yeah, I don't know, man. This thing's freaking me out. I might have to RMA the motherboard, maybe? Is there a CPU fan RPM? I don't think so. If anybody knows what is going on with this computer, please leave a comment below.